Hello friends, good morning. Today I am coming up with another trick using Odoo Studio and automation rule where we need to do a credit control. Yes, Odoo does have a credit limit option, but it doesn't stop us to create or block new sales order or invoice creation. In today's session, we will see how to do or manage a credit control on customers' new sales order or invoice where they have certain amount of overdue. So to do achieve that particular scenario, what I am proposing, let's create a new two field which I have already created. One field is a checkbox from Studio. So I'm going in a Studio where I have created overdue block as a field and the name is X Studio overdue block. So if I want to block certain customer for their overdue limit in terms of days, if they are having overdue for more than certain days, then I have created a second field overdue block days. So to define a days limit, I have created this field. So both combination will work like this. Let's say I have a customer one where I want to generate a blockage in terms of his overdue. And if overdue has more than 15 days, then I want to block any new sales order and invoice creation for this particular customer. So how to achieve that? So this two field will help us out to create a kind of automation rule. So here are my automation rule which I have created, and now let's see how to apply those automation rules. So going into Studio first, you have to create this two field in your customer or contact master, and then when you are going into sales order, so whatever is in quotation state, we want to apply this. Currently there is no rule, it is only a field. So I'm going into Studio and create a new automation rule. So let me give the name of my automation rule over here, and then the trigger is always on create and edit, and then here I want to update the state. At that time it should trigger, and then so block is the server action and execute code. I am putting this particular code which will allow us to check total overdue in terms of days over there. So this script you can even create with your developer or ChatGPT. So this is one script I have created. Now let's see if I am creating any new contact or customers. So in customers, I have customer 1 and 2 which have different overdue limit and scenarios. So customer 1 do have 15 days of overdue block, and customer 2, let's say, have 10 days of overdue. Now I am creating customer 3 and I want to give, let's say, 30 days of overdue. Okay, so now with this, before enabling that, let me create some invoice. So I'm creating invoice. So let's see, invoice term we have not set. So I'm creating a sales order. So customer 3 sales order. I'm creating any sales order. It will allow me to confirm all the sales order. But let's say if I have an existing customer invoice for customer 3, which is a backdated invoice to set our scenario, and then it is already having a due date of 10th July and having any amount is not specific, but yeah, it should be overdue. So it is already overdue. Due date was 10th July for this customer 3. Now I am going into customer and customer 3, and then I am enabling this block day, and then I want to give like over an average 20 days or more, it should block new sales order creation. So now one sales order was already done. Okay, but now if I am creating any new sales order for this particular customer with any amount, it will stop me to do so. So now you can see it is blocking me to create this. Now to improvise this particular condition, let's say if I want to give the state is applicable. where invoice status is in quotation or quotation sales. So now if I'm creating any new sales order or quotation for this customer, so here it is stopping me to create even new quotation. So let's say so it will not allow me to create any sales order like that. Now the same thing when I'm going and creating a new invoice for this customer 3. Right now I don't have any blockage on anything in terms of invoice. So it will allow me to create and confirm also. So this way I can even do that. But now if I want to improvise that, we can put one more condition or automation rule in the invoices, and then we have a new rule over here, block invoice customer overdue, and then trigger is on create and edit, and then I will put my condition over there. So now I am putting this particular automation rule in my Python code, block invoice, and then I will execute the code over here. So this is my now customer overdue blockage. So now customer 3, if I'm creating any new invoice, now at the time of confirmation, it will block me. It will not allow me to create any new invoice because of those credit limit. So this is how, with a simple studio hack, we can create an overdue blockage with consideration of partner, where we can enable a flexible overdue based on days. We can block creation of sales order or creation of invoice from the automation rule. Hope this will help many people, many functional consultant and end user to use this trick in their Odoo online SaaS environment to block beyond the overdue days. If you want to extend such condition or want some customization, do reach out to us at techvira.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you very much. Good day.